Well, on behalf of the beautiful people of Jamaica,
yes,
I'd like to say to you thank you so much.
Oh, you're quite welcome.
This is great value, you know.
You're quite welcome.
Big value for us.
You're quite welcome. Come on. It's much better than where we were before. It lends itself to more room, space for our clients.
Big wall here.
Yes. Isn't this beautiful? We hope to have a launch really soon. I'm very proud of this office. I designed this office so that the next Consul General that's coming to replace me will be comfortable if it's a male. The reason why I did the blue-gray wallpaper and the blue-gray paint is just in case that it's a male, he will feel okay, and if it's a female, we'll have all our furniture that will also be comfortable for female. The main reason why I selected this location is because Grand Central is right there.
Right. So
So
the Jamaicans can walk.
Yes.
Walk to the location.
You are so smart.
Right.
Yes.
I'm the first one to get one.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I love buns.
Happy Easter. So that is going in the space downstairs. And they come here and they wait for their names to be called. And the queuing system, you see we have the monitors up there. And on the queuing system, like you're at the motor vehicle, it says, Garvin Gray, window 1, please. I've placed great emphasis into ensuring that selecting the space is something that they would be proud to call their own. No.